Arizona Hot Springs is located near Colorado River and is part of Lake Mead Recreation Area. It's on the border of Nevada and Arizona, a little bit past Hoover Dam. The hike is about 6 miles round trip and is rated as strenuous. The trail is closed in the summer due to excessive heat. It can get up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit in the desert. The springs are caused by geothermal activity underground. Warm water rises to surface and escapes through faults and fractures. It discharges 30 to 50 gallons per minute. The temperature of the springs 111 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Be cautious and do not submerge your head. Amoeba are common in many hot springs all over the world. Brain-eating amoeba called Naegleria fowleri present in these springs, and they can travel up the nose and to the brain.